sir, Khan sir. He is very famous. He is from Bihar. And there
I
is Anand sir. There is Anand also.
I also
Anand.
Khan sir. Yeah, I also big fan by Khan sir. Very important.
Because yes, he is very renowned person from Bihar. And what he to this time, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
My
Mm-hmm.
name is Devendra Kumar. I am from Bihar, but currently now
Mm-hmm.
living in Oman, Muscat, abroad. I am
Okay,
working
Oman
KFC.
Muscat. Hmm.
I am working KFC as a cashier position before two
Hmm.
years.
Hmm.
My hobby is learning new things. There are
New
five
things.
members. There are five members
Okay.
in my family, including me.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's all
Okay.
about
Do you
myself.
want my introduction? Do you want my introduction?
Okay, ma'am.
I am Tanya Singh. I am joining you from India, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker. I have a daughter also. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobby is playing badminton, watching movies. Whenever I'm getting free time, that time I'm using my time in watching some good movies. Yes, that's all about me.
Thank you, ma'am. Very nice introduce.
Okay, tell me one thing. Like you are living in Oman, Muscat.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is the difference in Oman and India?
Different, both of different. Like first of
Hmm.
all, culture is totally
Hmm.
different.
Yes, yes. Culture is
And
totally different.
after
Hmm.
like monsoon, like this one
Hmm. Weather condition. Hmm.
weather also change. Right now, not
Hmm.
cold.
Hmm. Okay. In India, same here. Like this is February month, and weather is very pleasant.
Yes,
So in Muscat, sorry, Oman, how is the weather?
everything is normal, not cold. Ma'am.
Okay. You are working in KFC.
Yes, ma'am.
KFC. It's a renowned brand. Everybody knows KFC.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So why you moved from India? Because in India there are so many job opportunities. You can find job here also.
But ma'am, I also belong to middle class family,
Hmm.
so that's my reason for money. So
Hmm.
dependent India and abroad. So
Hmm.
money is
Hmm.
more important, and I also support my family money.
Hmm. Are you
And
getting
after
more money here? Are you getting more money here?
yes, ma'am. And after that, learning
Mm-hmm.
also to different countries, which types of work, where
Hmm.
types of work. So learning also. So this
Hmm.
reason for coming abroad, ma'am.
Did you made long time program to here this place Oman, or you also want to shift in India?
Yes, ma'am. After that, settled India. Right now,
Hmm.
working there, and after settled for India. Yeah.
Like I observe some person who are going to some other countries and they are living there, and after passing so many years they are settled in that place. What is your plan? Do you also want to stay forever in Oman?
Yes, everything is good, but my plan, I to come back India and settle for
Hmm.
India, not settle for
Hmm.
Oman.
Okay, you are hearing just for money. You are getting good handsome salary, so this is the reason you are living here. Do you also miss your family,
Yes,
like
my
your
family.
children, your
uh,
wife?
yes,
Hmm. Then
everything is
how you
missing.
communicate? Hmm. Hmm. Because always children miss their father.
Sometimes middle class family too much for India, so not for
Hmm.
survive for family. So dependent on family condition, which types of family condition. After that, earning is
Hmm.
very important.
Hmm.
Money is more important for life survive because money is not survive for life. Yeah. So after
Yes.
yeah,
Hmm.
after children, good education is
Hmm.
money is
Hmm.
important.
Yes.
Right,
Like in the
ma'am.
KFC, you are doing, I can say, hotel industry type work. So after, like you are going to Bihar and you want to settle there. So you also want to start your, restaurant, some other things you are planning.
Yes, ma'am. These types of things may also so a small business. After that,
Hmm. Hmm.
working there and mindset. These types of
Hmm.
mindset. So a small business
Because
start.
yes, because you gained lot of experience in this industry, so you can start your, food outlet,
Yes,
food outlet, some restaurant, small restaurant you can start.
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. These types of things.
Hmm. So in KFC, there are so many designations. So on which designation are you working?
Right now, I'm a cashier, ma'am.
Cashier.
Yes.
Hmm. And there are some like some, I can say your friends, colleagues, they are also making plans to go some other countries. Are you also making these kind of plans like London, some European countries?
Yes, ma'am. But this one dependent on person consultancy, good or not good. This
Hmm.
types of main
Hmm.
reason. Visa is also
Hmm.
good or not good.
Hmm. Then there are so many consultancy who are giving false promises. What do you think? How can we find a good consultancy?
Like first of all, Ministry of External Affairs license,
Hmm. Hmm.
then
Yes.
check
Like,
for website check.
yes. Hmm. Side check. Sometimes they are demanding large amount of money and they are not giving you proper document. And after going there, the that kind of person, trapped in some bad things.
Yes, ma'am.
So they should check their consultancy.
Very important, ma'am. Check consultancy, check visa.
Yes.
Everything is because right
Hmm.
now it's fraud person check.
Yes, because every day we are reading some news. There are some fake consultancies who are demanding large amount of money, and after getting the money, they are disappeared. Okay, after learning this language, like right now you are learning this language. So how many hours are you giving for your conversation? 1 hour, 15 minutes, 2 hours,
Hey, ma'am, only for 13 minutes, 30 minutes. After
30
that,
minutes?
right now, after that, 10 minutes going to duty.
What is your duty timing?
My duty time Indian time 4:30. Right now Indian time
Hmm.
2:42 Oman time.
2:42 Oman time.
Indian time
Okay,
12.
2:42.
Yeah,
Hmm. So are you working 8 hours or 10 hours there?
10 hours ma'am duty ma'am.
10 hours. Yes. Hmm. In India, there are same culture, 10 hours, sometimes 12 hours also in some industries. They are doing work. Yes. So
Private sector,
like,
private
hmm,
sector, every private sector, not any mention for time. So after working, they work. Not work,
hmm,
so
hmm,
stay in work place. Private sector
hmm.
is really different like government sector. Yeah.
Yes. In the private sector, they want, more hours from their employees, but they
More
are giving,
work
hmm,
pressure also, working pressure load also. So
hmm,
too much work
hmm.
also pressure load. Not manage for more people there. So, but
But they are not giving, but in some industries, they are not giving proper salary also.
yeah, but not too much thinking about this types of but because
Hmm.
working is
But
work.
I observed like mostly Bihar people work in government sector.
Yes, but not too much vacancies for like
Hmm,
family. First of all, like family, which type of family? So sometimes
hmm,
some family is not given then money for uh,
education.
education. Yeah, very
Hmm,
very low. Some people.
hmm. There are one sir, Khan sir. He is very famous. He is from Bihar. And there
I
is Anand sir. There is Anand also.
I also
Anand.
Khan sir. Yeah, my I also big fan by Khan sir. Very
If I
modest.
tell, hmm, yes, he is very renowned person from Bihar, and mostly students know this name, Khan sir. Hmm.
This one
You
not
are
properly mentioned for any person.
okay. You are also a fan of Khan sir.
Yes, both too much fan because I belong to middle class family, and
Why you?
every person
Okay,
is
my question
feeling
is, there is one question. There are so many personalities in India. Okay, then why you like Khan sir?
because down to
Hmm.
earth. First of
Hmm.
all, very down person,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
this types of people is 80% for Bihar. eighty
Yes.
percent.
Hmm.
This one middle class down person, not for
Hmm.
any supporting this government. And corruption is also more important. Corruption is also big. Bihar.
Hmm. Yes, because recently there were news. I think BPSC recruitment, and he has done hunger strike. Khan sir. I read that news.
So these people is
Hmm.
very way
Hmm.
for this right now.
Okay, you like her simplicity and his down to earth personality. This is the reason you admire his personality. Okay. Hmm. There's some other personality also. They belong. There is one Anand sir. He is giving free tuitions, I think, free classes.
One
And
more Anand Super 30. One more teacher.
yes, Anand
Bihar.
Super 30. He takes only 30 students in his coaching. Am I right?
And any person down person like labor
Hmm.
class like Bandhua Mazdoor
Hmm.
like this types of person
Yes,
is IIT
yes,
France their coaching.
yes. And on his life, Ritik Roshan made a film also. The film name was, I think, Super 30. Yes. It was based
Good.
on Anand's. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am, because I going for workplace.
Okay, okay. It was nice session with you. We will meet again, okay? Okay,
Okay,
bye-bye.
ma'am. Talk you. Bye bye.
तो आज की कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद है डेली यूज सेंटेंस कॉकी कॉकी मीन्स ओवरली कॉन्फिडेंट और एरोगेंट इन अ वे that may come across as rude or boastful. It describes someone who acts as if they are superior to others. For example, वह मैच से पहले बहुत घमंडी था यह सोचकर कि वह आसानी से मैच जीत जाएगा. He was so cocky before the match, thinking he would win easily. इतना घमंडी मत बनो, तुम्हें अभी बहुत कुछ सीखना है. डोंट बी सो कॉकी, यू स्टिल हैव अ लॉट टू लर्न. उसकी घमंडी प्रवृत्ति ने बैठक में सभी को परेशान कर दिया. हिज कॉकी एटीट्यूड एनॉयड एवरीवन इन द मीटिंग. वह कमरे में एक अहंकारी भाव के साथ अंदर आया. ही वॉक्ड इनटू द रूम विद अ कॉकी एक्सप्रेशन ऑन हिज फेस. ही वॉक्ड इनटू द रूम विद अ कॉकी एक्सप्रेशन ऑन हिज फेस. Grandiose means something that is impressive, extravagant, or ambitious, but sometimes in an exaggerated or unrealistic way. It can describe things that are grand and majestic, but also ideas or plans that seem too ambitious or impractical. For example, उसने शहर का सबसे बड़ा मॉल बनाने की योजनाएं बनाई, भव्य योजनाएं बनाई. He made grandiose plans to build the biggest mall in the city. महल की डिजाइन बहुत भव्य थी जिसमें सुनहरी सजावट थी. द पैलेस हैड अ ग्रैंडियोज डिजाइन विद गोल्डन डेकोरेशंस. उसके भव्य विचार अक्सर असफल हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वे अव्यवहारिक होते हैं. हिज ग्रैंडियोज आइडियाज ऑफन फेल बिकॉज दे आर अनरियलिस्टिक. वह पार्टी में एक भव्य अंदाज में दाखिल हुई जैसे वो कोई रानी हो. शी एंटर्ड द पार्टी विद अ ग्रैंडियोज एटीट्यूड एज इफ शी वर अ क्वीन. फिल्म का बजट बहुत भव्य था लेकिन कहानी कमज़ोर थी. द मूवी हैड अ ग्रैंडियोज बजट बट द स्टोरी वॉज वीक. Swanky. Swanky means stylish, luxurious, or fancy, often in a way that shows off wealth or sophistication. It is used to describe expensive places, fashionable clothing, or impressive things. For example, वे समुद्र किनारे एक शानदार 5 सितारा होटल में ठहरे. They stayed in a swanky 5-star hotel by the beach. They stayed in a swanky 5-star hotel by the beach. वह पार्टी में एक स्टाइलिश डिजाइनर ड्रेस पहनकर आई. शी अराइव्ड एट द पार्टी वियरिंग अ स्वैंकी डिजाइनर ड्रेस. वह एक महंगी नई स्पोर्ट्स कार चलाता है. ही ड्राइव्स अ स्वैंकी न्यू स्पोर्ट्स कार. रेस्टोरेंट का इंटीरियर बहुत आलीशान था जिसमें सुनहरे झूमर लगे थे. द रेस्टोरेंट हैड अ स्वैंकी इंटीरियर विद गोल्डन chandeliers. Pragmatic means dealing with situations in a sensible, practical, and realistic way rather than focusing on theories or emotions. A pragmatic person makes decisions based on what works best in real life situations. For example, उसने समस्या को हल करने के लिए एक व्यवहारिक तरीका अपनाया. She took a pragmatic approach to solving the problem. बड़े सपने देखने की बजाय वह व्यवहारिक रहना पसंद करता है और छोटे हासिल किए जा सकने वाले लक्ष्यों पर ध्यान देता है. Instead of dreaming big, he prefers to be pragmatic and focus on small achievable goals. प्रबंधक का निर्णय व्यवहारिक था और तथ्यों पर आधारित था. The manager's decision was pragmatic and based on facts. संकट के समय भावुक होने की बजाय व्यवहारिक होना जरूरी होता है. In a crisis, it's important to be pragmatic rather than emotional. वह एक व्यवहारिक नेता है जो केवल विचारों पर नहीं बल्कि समाधानों पर ध्यान देती है. She is a pragmatic leader who focuses on solutions, not just ideas. She is a pragmatic leader who focuses on solutions, not just ideas.